Hello everyone, welcome to The Fire and the Rain, Part 7. Let us refresh your memory. There were 4 events in the last class's portion. 1. Aravasu is rejected by Nitilai's tribe as he was delayed to attend the elders' council. Nitilai's marriage is fixed with a tribal boy. The second event is that Paravasu comes home secretly. Secretly because it was against the rule of the sacrifice to leave the sacrificial enclosure. Raipya, his father, severely scolds him. When he requests the permission of Raipya to talk with his wife, Raipya, goes out of the ashram in his anger. Then 3. Vishakha reveals to Paravasu that she is sexually abused by Raipya. She is alone in the ashram. Paravasu and Aravasu always being always away. The fourth event is that Paravasu kills his father. So these are the main events, 4 important events in the last class portion. Now let us move on. Aravasu was about to go to the village of Nettilai to see her. Before that, he takes a bath as he had cremated a body. He wanted to cleanse his hands before touching Nettilai. Just then, he hears Paravasu calling him. When he reaches the ashram, he sees that Raipya is dead. Paravasu explains to him that in the darkness he mistook his father for a wild animal and thus unknowingly killed him. So that was the explanation given by Paravasu regarding the death of his father. If it comes out that Paravasu killed his father, the fire sacrifice will not be completed. He advises Aravasu to conduct the funeral rites of his father, and he will continue the yajna. So it was thus decided that Paravasu asked Aravasu to conduct the funeral rites, and he will move on to the sacrificial enclosure to continue the sacrifice. In the forest, Brahma Rakshasa comes to see Paravasu. The Rakshasa admires Paravasu for his fearlessness. As Raipya invoked Rakshasa, Paravasu is now like a brother to him. Brahma Rakshasa was actually the incarnation of an evil man. He didn't get rebirth. Instead, he became a soul locked in nothingness. He requests Paravasu to free him, but Paravasu refuses to liberate him. So, this tells about the evil creature called Brahma Rakshasa. Brahma Rakshasa actually admires Paravasu for his fearlessness, and Rakshasa says that Paravasu is like a brother, and he requests Paravasu to free him, liberate him, but Paravasu refuses to liberate him. So what Brahma Rakshasa is asking is that Brahma Rakshasa wanted to be free, liberated. If Raipya was alive, he would have freed him. But as Raipya was killed, that will not be happening. Uh, that is why Brahma Rakshasa requests Paravasu to liberate him. And after completing the funeral rites, Aravasu reaches the sacrificial enclosure. The fire sacrifice is going on. When the brothers see each other, Paravasu ac- accuses Aravasu as the murderer of his father Raipya. Paravasu says that when the yajna is about to be completed, there will be many obstructions. Describing Aravasu as a demon, Paravasu adds that Aravasu is one of these obstructions. Thus, we can see that Paravasu betrays his brother and accuses the crime he committed upon the shoulders of his brother Aravasu. So, that is how we are coming to the end of the second act. Okay, thank you.